Okay, so the requirement came to me was to select a particular web page, convert that into Markdown. So to do this, I need to create the PRD for such extension, right? So this is the PRD, then prompt, and the code assistance for this particular extension, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open windsurf, then create a folder, right? So in this particular folder I'll be typing HTML to Markdown, right? And inside this folder I'll be creating 3 specific files. So prd.md, then execution.md, and then icon underscore script.py, right? So starting with PRD, I will just bring it from here to copy and put it into PRD, right? I will just remove few lines, and I have to copy the prompt from here to our cascade. We paste it here. Now if we go to code implementation part, you can see we can copy up to this and then push to execution MD, right? And what remains is our pure PRD, no code, no implementation suggestion, just pure documentation. One more thing we are missing here is maintain directory structure part. Maintain the clone extension directory guideline, right? Once we do this, the part is regarding icon script. So I want to create icon, right? So I'll be putting in this particular script to create the icon. Now going back to the cascade base, what we'll do is we will say read @prd.md and then execute the extension as per the execution MD, and then check out the prompt below, right? Finally you can see maintain the directory structure. Also you have to think of create the placeholder icons as per icon underscore script.py at the end of the project, right? Now if I just hit enter, this should begin the project, right? The most important part is maintaining the directory structure. Also we have to be pretty strict about where the files are stored. As you can see, this is as per the guideline. I am forcing it to create the extension that way. So manifest file will be inside this particular directory, right? And then background.js, content.js, also pop-up HTML and other files, those should be inside here, right? So it is actually following the guidelines as it meant to be, right? We have given enough guidance on this. Now the part remains is the enforcing these guidelines, right? So it is going to execute the folder for icon as well. Now next part comes the Python script that is available here to create this particular path and then run this script. So hopefully it should not create the double icons there, right? Okay, we can nudge it by saying resume the project, right? And once it does, we can move on, right? Now you can see this is where it wants to. Okay, new item already exists. Now we have to create the script. Notice it should be creating icons. So icons are here, right? Yes, so icons are there. Now what we can do is we have to check the manifest file where the icons should be. So icons and then icon 48, 128, so they are properly aligned. Okay, and once it does, you can move on. Right, so I'm noticing it is taking a bit longer now, so I will say resume the project. Right, it may appear so, but I noticed it is analyzing the script, so we will have to check if they are modifying or something. Okay, so it is creating multiple icons, right? So after that it will create a readme file, which is fine by me. I need to see what it is generating, right? Okay, so there is package.json. I'm not sure why it is. Okay, now I will save this markdown to this. Okay, now if I go back here in extension, in temp file, HTML to markdown, and then extension, select folder, couldn't load icons, and right, so it seems to be stuck with the icons logic. Sometimes it works, sometimes it goes in loop or something. Right, so we have to explain in our PRD what the directory structure should be. That can solve a lot of problems. So next time you write some PRD or something, make sure to force it to have that reference. Manifest file needs to edit all of this, right? So here we have to check readme as well. All the issues are also mentioned there. And so accept all. We go back here and load the unpack, then extension folder. Notice, retry, and still the same error. So we may need to get this part. Okay, so continue with the creation. I don't know why it is regularly stuck with the icons, then icons. The page, let me check if it allows the markdown conversion. So if I click on convert to Markdown, it will show the tags. Okay, whenever required it will show you. You can see like this. So the extension is functional. It does the HTML to Markdown conversion here.